Hello, good morning. Today is Sunday and we have snowstorm. So we don't have church and we are supposed to stay at home. But we're so tempted to go out to play with the snow. So we will try. Crazy. Put my I don't know what this is called, but this is just to protect your head from the cold and your ears. Napa mong Christmas tree. I know. Almost Valentine's Day pero Christmas pa sa amo. It's -6 outside but with the wind feels like -15. O diba? Bongga. Also have thermal inside my pullover and also underneath my pants. And Bernard is wearing his boots that he has been using in Canada. This is his normal shoes. Wow. Prepared siya! And wow, siya na. And last but not the least, it's super cold. I need to put my hood. So crazy. So fishy.
How's your snow wish come true?
Whee! I can do a snowman. Your face is so red from the cold. So much snow. This is actually my first time to experience this much snow in Germany in my 4 years, because it doesn't normally snow this much here in our city, and this time is different because there is a snowstorm. Like the warm wind from Sahara is colliding with the cold polar wind here in North Germany. That's why it's like this. And it's very cold. Feels like -15, but I am enjoying it. It's so nice to observe and watch the snow. But it's such a hassle if you have work or if you have important appointments or if you leave the house, because you have to take out all of the snow from your driveway and the snow that's covering your car. So at this point, nagpasalamat mi nga wala mi car because we don't have to do that. Yeah, we are enjoying the snow. The last time it happened was like 40 years, they said. Abot na ang snow sa akong kilay. But this snow, you can't build a snowman. Okay, kuan siya, powdery. It won't hold the shape. Look. It's like powder. Crazy. Funny kayo kung bana kay he's bringing our walk because he wants to slide sa hill. Show your walk. Bantay, dili na mo function ha? Go-wow-wow. Go-wow-wow raman ka dili sa mga tao. Probeer na walk here. There's some busy. Ah, bitte! You try. In the other end, like super end. Can I try? Yeah. Nee, that's too.
Das muss größer sein, das geht
Can you
nicht.
push me? We will slide with our walk.
Schön links schwimmen wir nehmen. Wenn ihr Bock habt.
Grabe. Maoni actually ang main street, but then so much snow. There are no buses. Was machst du da? Jetzt. Ja. Oh wow. Hi. Cool. Our neighbors are building some igloo. Hey, wow. Keboka, what's good when you're home? Sikwati. Oh my gosh. It's so good. Ito nang sipon. Sa katugnaw.
Guck mal. Storm, more.
That's it guys for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We are going home now because it's getting dark and it's so cold to be honest. And I'll see you again next time. Bye.